Students, today we are going to learn about the direction. As you all know, there is 4 direction: north, south, east, west. Now, how to identify the directions on the map? Let's find out. In many maps, you have seen the vertical lines uppermost point with the arrow marked letter N. You must have seen a line on a map arrow marked at the top, that is north. This means this line is the north line showing the north direction. Once you know the north direction, you can easily identify all other direction: east, west, north, south. And you can also identify the other 4 intermediate direction: northeast, southeast, southwest, and the northwest. Some maps have a compass rose which show the major direction as well as the intermediate direction. But in some maps, if the north line is not given, compass rose is not given, how can you identify the direction? In such map, the upper part is taken as the north, the lower part as the south, and left right side present the direction west and east respectively. Now, what is grid? A grid is to help locate the features on the map. A grid is often drawn on the map. A grid is a net of lines that form a cell like a graph paper. The features of the map can be located by knowing the cell which it lies. A map that you can find in an atlas usually covers the degrees of latitudes and the longitudes. In such map, the grid is usually formed on a meridian and the parallels. Topographic maps cover much smaller areas. Most of them cover less than 1 degree of the latitude or the longitude. Hence, these maps are not enough meridian or a parallel to form a grid. So, the vertical lines north-south or horizontal line east-west lies to form a grid. These lines are drawn with red color and known as by the 2-digit number. Now see on the picture, you will find a grid. This is a grid or a cell. This is the northing. This is the easting. Northing, easting, grid. Then this is the feature that we have to identify in which cell under it comes. Easting and the northing. The bottom left corner of the topographic map is taken as the starting point. That means the starting point is the southwestern corner of the topographic map is taken as the point of a starting point. Numbering the grid lines of the map. The vertical lines are called easting. The vertical lines are drawn east of the point are called easting. The horizontal lines are called the northing. The number given on the easting increase eastward and the number given to the northing increase towards northward. So this is the topographic sheet. Thank you. Coming period we will study about how to locate the features under a grid, on how can we read the grid. Thank you. Read the lesson properly.